Alright guys, I want to show you how you can test your humidifier on your furnace. Right here is your humidifier. This is an old Bryant furnace, 90% efficient. Okay. For a while I've been hearing this sound in here, and I didn't know if it was the solenoid here having an issue kick on or whatnot, but it turned out it was the filter, the water filter. It's hanging like this, and then it's being sucked in to the return. Okay, so that's what the noise was, right? So at the same time, I want to find out, right, while I have this cover off, if that solenoid is actually working. So all you have to do is come over here to your humidifier's thermostat here and crank it up, and you can hear it kick on. And it should be delivering water over that filter. So that is a water filter, not an air filter. Okay. This provides humidity into the home. It's actually putting humidity back into the return. Okay, so we know just by here, you can hear that a little bit. I don't know if you can hear, guys. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it off so you can hear it. It's off. I'll go ahead and close. This. Okay. So we know that's working, but we don't really know for sure whether it's actually opening and distributing the water into the return, down into the return. So due to hard or heavy water, there's a diaphragm in here, okay, that gets clogged up, and so sometimes this whole unit needs to be changed out because you can only buy, this whole unit will only come one piece. Well, this whole solenoid valve will be one piece. Okay, so it's always good, if your furnace is 20 some years old, it's always good to go ahead and check that and replace it, because again, hard water will corrode that diaphragm, okay, and prevent actual water flow from going into the return. So your water is coming in here, the diaphragm is being pulled down by the solenoid valve, which opens the valve and allows water to be shot into your return. Okay, so that's how you check your humidifier to see if it's working. Peace out.